United States dollar USD redirects here for other uses. The United States dollars sign dollar code USD, also abbreviated US dollar, and referred to the dollar US or American dollar, is the official currency of the United States and its insular territories. It is divided into 100 similar cents units. The circulating paper money consisting of Federal Reserve notes. The US dollar is flat money. It is the currency most used in international transaction and is the world's primary reserve currency. Several countries use it as their official currency, and in many other it is the de facto currency. Besides the United States, it is also used as the sole currency in two British overseas territories in the Caribbean, the British Virgin Islands and Turks and Chicago Island. A few countries use only the US dollar for paper money, while the country mints its own coins are also accepted US coins that can be used as a payment in US dollar, such as the Susan B. Anthony dollar. Overviews. Articles I, Section 8 of the US Constitution provided that the Congress has the power to coin money. Laws implementing this power are currency codified at 31 USC dollar 5112. Section 5112 prescribes the forms in the which the United States dollar should be issued. These coins are both designated in Section 5112 as legal tender in payment of debits. The Sacagawea dollar is one example of the copper alloy dollar. The pure silver dollar is known as the American Silver Eagle. Section 5112 also provided for the minting and assurance of other coins which have values ranging from 1 cent to $50. These other coins are more fully described in coins of the United States dollars. The Constitution provided that a regular statement and account of the receipts and expenditure of all public money shall be published from time to time. That provision of the Constitution is made specify by Section 331 and of Title 31 or 31 of the United States Codes. The sums of money reported in the statements are currently being expressed in US dollar. To example, see the 2009 financial report of the United States government. The US dollar may therefore be described as the unit of account the United States. The world dollar is one of the words in the first paragraph of Section 9 of Article I of the Constitution. Their dollars is a reference to the Spanish millar dollar, a coin that had a monetary value of 8 Spanish units of currency of reals. In 1792, the US Congress passed a Coinage Act. Section 9 of that act authorized the production of various coins, including dollars or units, each to be the of the value of a Spanish millar dollars as the same is now current, and to contain 300 and 71 grain and 416 part of a grain of pure or 416 grains of standard silver. Section 20 of the Act provided that the money of account of the United States shall be expressed in dollar or unit, and that all account in the public office and all proceeding in the court of the United States shall be kept and had in conformity to this regulation. In other words, this act designated the United States dollar as the unit of currency of the United States. Thank you. Subscribe please. Okay.